Mike with RPS Solar Pumps here. One of the most common questions we get with the larger systems is how do I mount my panels? So there's a couple of different options you have there. You can go with a commercial off-the-shelf mount. That's going to be a bit more expensive and sometimes a little bit cost prohibitive. What we have here is our 1600 watt solar array mount. It features 16 100 watt solar array panels, and this is built with all parts from Home Depot. We call it our Home Depot mount. It's 4 panels across and 4 panels wide. This same mount works if you're using much larger panels. You just don't have to bolt as many down to the frame. It features a fixed angle that's appropriate for this area. So the angle is based on 2 things. One is your latitude. So if you look up your latitude, there's simple tables online and at rpssolarpumps.com where you can figure out the appropriate fixed angle for maximum efficiency throughout the year. The other thing is you want to face the solar array south. So in our location, this is due south, and it's not magnetic south, it is true south. Back behind here, we have vertical posts, both in the back and the front. We set the front height appropriate for this area. So here we don't get too many tall weeds, and so we didn't have to go very high. We're about 1.5 feet off the ground. If you're in an area that has taller weeds, 3 to 4 feet tall, you probably want to go a little bit taller, or just come out here and spray or mow every once in a while in order to take care of the weeds. On either side of the array, we have a top bar that is either welded or bolted to the vertical posts. And then we use these long steel channels all the way that are pre-configured with holes. These are available at Home Depot and other big box stores. We'll have a link below that you can go check out and find these design plans in order to build this yourself. The beauty of this system, it only costs a couple of $100 for everything in order to set it up. That includes the concrete in order to secure the post, the vertical fence posts, the rails, the bolts, the washers. All of that can be acquired in your area for a few $100s. That makes it much cheaper than going out and procuring a commercially available mount. So we really like this design. It's very simple, very quick to set up. This mount was set up in about a day with 2 people. So if you want the plans, check it out below at rpssolarpumps.com.